communication channel unit. Okay, IP means communication channel unit. See, each and every device contains one MAC address or IP address. MAC address means physical address. IP means logical address. Logical communication channel unit. MAC address will be defined by the manufacturer. IP address will be defined by the administrator. Okay. See, see, for example, 192.168.1.10. This IP address belongs to which class?
Class C.
Class C. No doubt, no? No more explanation. Class C means we network, host. Clear? What is subnet mask? Subnet mask. This is called IP. Subnet mask dividing the network portions, host portions separately. This is called subnet mask. What is the default gateway? Default gateway means entry point or exit point to reach my destination is called default gateway. And whatever IP address you are trying to provide to the router, that becomes the default gateway. Okay. See, in this classroom, the default gateway is for every member. This is the default gateway. For you separate it and for you there is separate it. The whole class members, the default gateway is this one. In the similar way, one network contains only one default gateway. The whole systems can able to communicate with the help of that default gateway only. Okay. So default entry point or exit point to reach my destination is called default gateway. See now 192.168.1.1. This is called default gateway. So network should be same, host should be different. Then what is network ID? 192.168.1.0 is called network ID. Network ID means IP address with all bits as zeros in the host portion only is the network ID. I repeat, IP address with all bits as zeros in the host portion only is the network ID. What is broadcast ID? 192.168.1.2. See, network portions you are not supposed to change. We have three network portions. I am not changing anywhere these three network portions. If host portion 0 means network ID. If host portion 2 means all ones, 8 ones will come. Conversion in binary code. If I convert in the binary format, it comes to 8 ones. This is called broadcast. This is called broadcast ID. Okay. IP address with all bits as ones in the host portion only is called broadcast ID. Very clear? Point is very clear. Now tell me once again, last and final. Tell me 10.10.10.10. Which class?
Class A.
Class C. Now tell me how many network portions, how many host portions?
One network, 3 hosts.
Right, very good. Subnet mask.
255.0.0.0.
Subnet mask. Default gateway.
255.
Network should be same.
10.0.0.1.
Yes. Network should be same. Host as you wish. Default gateway. Network ID.
10.0.0.0.
Very good. Network ID. Broadcast ID.
10.255.255.255.
Clear? Any more doors?
No.
Still very clear. No? This is a basic class. Fundamental. Okay. First of all, if you start CC means you should know what is IP address, what is subnet mask, what is default gateway, what is network ID, what is broadcast ID. These 5 points, if you are getting clear, then you can go ahead to the routing. Okay. If I am talking about switching, I refer only these two. You have divided.
Yes, sir.
But in routing, I refer all these 5. Okay. I refer network ID and as well as broadcast ID also. Any more? Clear? Now see, now coming to, shall I start?
Topic
RIP. No.
RIP is statical.
RIP no. Statical, typical. RIP is very easy. Okay. I will talk about this RIP.
Dynamic.
Then we go to limit. Okay. Compared to static routing, then we go to more advanced. So in this routing, the route is defined manually by the administrator. In this routing, the route is defined automatically by device. Device will take care of automatically. Means admin job is very more, admin job is very less. All indirectly connected network IDs are required to configure. Only directly connected network IDs are required to configure. Topology changes cannot update dynamically. Topology changes can update dynamically. Topology means the structure of the network is called topology. Currently, we are following star topology. In this topology, all the machines are connected to central device. That device name is called hub, switch, router. Okay. Okay. Very clear.
Yes.
Okay. See, my dear, all of you look at very carefully. Shall I start? No. Time. Okay. Chennai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru. Yeah, I will give the video. It is recording this video. For sake of your convenience, I tried 5 10 minutes. Switch. Now, which cable?
Cross.
Cross cable. Still not clear? Here I am not keeping any switch over there. Why?
Direct.
Why? See, when I require switch?
Many.
More than 2.
Many. More than.
Okay. Up to 2 devices, I don't require any kind of network device. Okay. Here only one PC. I don't require switch. But here 3. 2 or 3 or 100. 2 or more than 2. I require a network device. See, this is Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru. Now double click on this router. CLI, no, for physical configuration, maximize. So switch off the router. Come on, switch off the router. Add WSC, WAN interface card. 2 means 2 ports.
Then you have to.
Yes. Switch on the router. Close. Again double click on this second router. Switch off the router. See, green color. Light is LED is off. Now switch off. LED is off.
What is that, sir?
WAC 2T.
WIC.
2T. WAN interface card. 2 ports.
After switching off the router, we should
Yeah.
raise the port.
Yes. Again make sure the off.
Again we have to on.
Yes. Otherwise no use.
WIC.
Yeah. WAC 2T. WAN interface card. Again double click on the router. Switch off the router.
WIC.
Add WAC 2T. Switch on the router. Now see. Serial 0 by 0. 0 by 1. Okay. Now see, now I'm giving how many interfaces are there? Now totally see in this diagram totally how many rotors are available? 3. Now doctor, 1,